This would be a cold start of my 2019 Challenger Widebody. I don't know why anybody would change the exhaust on this car, and if they were to, that they would add different mufflers or buy a full catback. But from the factory, I think that sounds pretty amazing. So I don't know if people mess with it and straight pipe it and make it sound like crap. Because a straight piped Hemi 6.4 Hellcat, any of the V8 vehicles from Mopar, when you straight pipe them, they do not sound good, especially when you get on it. So spend the money, considering you're spending between $50,000 to $150,000 depending on what you bought. And then you go and spend $100 at your local muffler dealer to have them just cut your exhaust off. Makes no sense. So if you're going to do it right. So it sounds good. My car is stock, and I love the way it sounds, and I think they did a fantastic job. One of the best sounding exhaust systems, in my opinion, across the board for any muscle car. Especially with the active valves, if you want to call it that, or active valves. But yeah, that was the cold start and my take on cutting off your exhaust when it already sounds good. You guys have a great day. Scat Pack Sean, Old Town Mopars, Daily Driven. Take care, guys.